We got some new stuff. Check it out.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Ooh. Let me be Kurt. Something new we got today. Open her up, put it in. Sometime today. Actually, I didn't need to open that. Yes. Oh. Look at that sucker. It's called greasy. I totally pinched myself. Right there. Freaking hurt. Shit. Hurt. That's a Leatherman. Oh yeah, baby. And this bubble wrap. But this, and most importantly here, what we have is the push block for a Kurt Vise. Brand spanking. You can see the reflection. Gotta love it. Anyway, thought I'd show you guys that. What else is going on today? Hear that? Bubble pop, gotta love it. So I gotta put grease on the ball. I gotta take a half sphere that goes in there. So I gotta put grease, some blue grease. I don't know why it's blue, but I like it. It matches the Vises. It's pretty neat. You can see it in there. See the blue? You can't really see it that well, but anyway. Oh shoot. Gotta put grease on these little, or not grease, but slick oil. They slip nice and smooth. They glide. Oh yeah. I want everything nice and slippery. I want everything to glide in here. Oh, I lost the freaking sphere. Astroglide. That's what I was going to say. You know what that is. And you kind of put it in. Sorry. Like so. It's got a little Allen head back here, set screw. Gotta screw that sucker in. And then it's Triumph, baby. Want a little action, but not too much. Here's your push block. It's a little too tight. I like it. Get a little test run. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Very nice. That's how you install a Kurt Vise push block. Sucker right there. Pretty nifty, man. Hope you guys are having a good day. Mine's going good so far. I hit my shin this morning. That freaking hurt. So that was kind of a setback, but we're moving forward. Nice and smooth. Let's get our Vise or our jaw back in there and start using this Vise. Get 4 going. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to... I already said that, huh? Well, have a nice day. Peace. Bam!